Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To do a Valentine's Day makeup look using some new products that I haven't tried yet. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation in the shade 320 Honey. And to apply this foundation, I'm going to be using the Morphe Y6 brush and just stipulate it on there. And I did color correct because I have I don't know what you call it, hyperpigmentation, discoloration around my mouth, and that's like the hardest part for me to cover because I'm still new at doing makeup. But yeah, and here's where I explain basically that it did cover the orangeness or whatever, but I'm gonna be taking the ColourPop No Filter concealer, and I'm taking the shade Golden 40 and just applying it under my eyes, the forehead, the usual places, I guess. I'm taking the Real Technique sponge to blend it all out. And please bear with me, this is my first voiceover. So I'm gonna be taking some Laura Mercier powder, Mercier, whatever how you say it, Laura powder, I guess, to set where I have placed the concealer. I tried my best not to apply too much, so I was just dabbing, taking off the excess on my hand. So just so I know that I'm not applying too much. And then I'll just take some of the powder around my mouth because I do crease there a lot. And so I think that will help it not crease. So moving on to my eyes, I'm going to take the LA Girl concealer. And this is me trying to figure out what brush I'm going to use because I really didn't want to use my hands, but I was like, F it, I'm going to use my fingers. Yeah, so I just blended it out with not a beauty sponge, but with the Real Technique sponge. And then I'm going to take that same powder and just set my eyelids. So now I'm taking the Morphe 39A palette. Y'all seen my face? I was like, this shit hella big. And then I was trying to show you guys that I'm going to be using that whole section right there. I had used the brush as a guide, So I'm going to take the shade Define Me as my transition shade and put it in my crease. So right now I'm just blending it out. So the reason I'm doing this Valentine's Day look is, well, to tell you the truth, I was bored and I decided to just come up with something, and also because my nephew's birthday is on Valentine's Day, maybe I wanted to wear this look. Who knows? Nah, I really didn't know where I was going with this look, so I lied. Oh, and the brush I'm using is the BH Cosmetic brush. Number 5, the Studio Pro brush. I guess, I don't know. The shade Create, and I'm taking it on a Morphe R39 brush. So I'm taking that shade and also putting it in my crease, but I still want the first shade I used, the one as my transition shade, to kind of peek through. And I'm trying to focus more of the shade Create in the outer corners of my eyes. So now I'm gonna take the shade Trendy, and I'm using the brush from the Vanity Planet set. And at first it felt like it wasn't applying on right, or it wasn't as applying as how I wanted it to, I guess you could say. But I decided to take MAC Fix Plus and spray the brush. So then it can go on a lot easier. And that's exactly what it did. Applied easier for me. Decided to add in a little bit of Passion, the shade Passion, to darken the outer corners more. And then I went in and took the Y17 brush to blend all those colors together. The Morphe Y17 brush. Okay, so I'm gonna take the BH Cosmetics It's My Ray Ray palette and use the contour shades in there. I'm taking the shade Mocha. You see me dancing? I was like, Mocha Loca. So I'm taking a Morphe brush, but it came with a set, so it doesn't have any numbers on it or whatever. And I'm using it to just contour. Like I know what that is or how to really do it. I just look it up. But the contour shade was doing pretty good. I mean, the contour was doing good. I was looking for my highlighting brush, or the brush that I used to highlight, and I could not find it. I was like, where the hell is my damn brush at? But then I ended up finding it. So I was deciding to use the shade Radiant and probably mix in a little bit of Moonlight, but I was just going to use Radiant first. So as you can see, I went straight to the lips. I did put on Wet n Wild Skinny mascara, the one that has like a little pink writing on it, or pink whatever. But I decided to take the shade 951 I Love Sarai in ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip. And if you're wondering, am I going to put on lashes? No, because I still have to practice putting them on. They're a struggle for me. I be struggling. like for real. But one day I will be able to put those on. But as for now and whenever, just bear with me. So I'm gonna take the Mario Badescu, that's how you say his name, facial spray. I'm using the one with rose water. And that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me doing this Valentine's Day look. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.